afford you an opportunity to hear your views, which may assist both the government and the National Constitutional Conference in arriving at a just decision and viable options for resolving the political problems facing our dear country. Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished leaders, you will recall that on my maiden broadcast on assumption of office, I did not hide the fact that this administration is a child of circumstance. It was born to prevent total collapse and disintegration of our beloved country following the annulment of the June 12 election. Before the advent of the administration, we in this part of the country have been very vocal on the need for a national conference. Upon the ascension of mantle of leadership of this country, the head of state and commander-in-chief of the armed forces, General Sani Abacha, placed at the top of this administration's program a national constitutional conference for which all the apparatus and structures were set in motion towards that direction.
Community Development Association, Nigeria. Mo fẹ́ bèrè ìbéèrè ní ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀gágun wa. Kí ni àkóso tí wọ́n wá ń ṣe nípa àti gbé ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ lárugẹ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ owó lórí gbogbo ìgbà là ń lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ chairman wa tá à ń bèrè pé ètò wọn náà ní sílẹ̀ fún wa wọ́n lè ṣàlàyé pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn ṣe wà àwọn gba àkóso ìjọba yìí àwọn bá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìpèsè ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ kò tí ì fún wọn ní nǹkan kan wọ́n ti ṣe àkóso àti ṣe kí ni ọ̀gágun wa ní fún ilé yìí.
Dáhùn ìbéèrè màá kọ́kọ́ kí àwọn àlàyé àwọn kábíyèsí pé kí adé wọn kó pẹ́ lórí kí bàtà kó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ kí àṣẹ kó pẹ́ lẹ́nu wọn mo gbọ́dọ̀ méjì àdéṣù fún àwọn torí èmi tí mo wá bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lé mo lérò pé mo fẹ́ lo ààyè tí Olúwa fún mi tó ní mo fi lè fi mí síbi tí mo wà lónìí nítorí pé kí ni ọmọ ilẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjìrì lèmi lọ. Tí mo bá lè wá wà nírú bíi tí n bá lè sọ tọ̀rọ̀ fún ẹ jẹ́ pé ó yẹ ká lọ ṣèwádìí irú omi tẹ́ bá fi ṣe ẹ̀dá sí. Mo sì ti fẹ́ mo dá wa lójú pé láti ìgbà tí mo ti dé ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó ni mo ti pinnu wípé bí Èkó bá jẹ́ tọ́lọ́ léètì mo mà ti jẹ́ tirẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọlá bíbí pé kò sí ẹ̀dá aláyé kan lẹ́mi lè parọ́ nítorí pé kí ni àkọọ́lẹ̀ tí mo bá ń lẹ̀ ni pé bàbá tó bí èmi gẹ́gẹ́ gbogbo yín náà ti máa bá mi olóògbé ṣùgbọ́n tí àkọọ́lẹ̀ tí mo bá lẹ̀ ni pé kò fi gbá kan kọ̀ọ̀kan lórí èmi náà ti dògún lè. Torí ìdí èyí mo fi fẹ́ ká ṣí ọkàn wa káwa ká bára wa sọ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mi tí òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ bá wà. Ó lè ṣàìmọ́tò mẹ́lòmíì nínú ṣùgbọ́n èmi ò fi sí máa kọ́lẹ̀ lónìí pé ọmọ yẹn lọ́lá ó wí òótọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti lọ. Nítorí ní tá à ń ṣe lónìí ó di dandan kó di ìtàn lọ́la. Tá a bá ti bára wa ẹni bá parọ́ ẹgbẹ́ mi tí mo ti sọ ní gbogbo bíi tí mo ti lọ o torí tí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹni bá dá mi lójú tó o gbẹ ìbára wọn náà fi kárí èmi sọ débi pé àmì orí adé tí a fi mi tẹ̀ mo fi kúra pé èmi ò ní parọ́ kí alájọ bí kó má sì àparọ́ fún gbogbo wọn. ọ̀rọ̀ sì kù. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀gbẹ́ni Táíwò Ọ̀nàyẹmí ti sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣúná láti ran ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ lọ, ìṣòro wà ń bẹ̀. láti ní bí ò bá nídìí ẹ̀jẹ̀ mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ orí ẹlẹ́dàá wípé lásìkò tí wọ́n yàn mí wá sí ìlú Èkó kò jẹ́ kí n ní àkọọ́lẹ̀ burúkú lágbára tí mo dé ẹ̀bẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àkọọ́lẹ̀ wò. láti ìgbà tí wọ́n ti dá ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó sílẹ̀ kò sí nínú ìgbà pé wọ́n yáwó sanwó oṣù rí. nígbà tí mo dé wọ́n ti ṣe ìpinnu pẹ̀lú Central Bank pé òdìdà ká yáwó torí pé kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ ajé wa òdìdó dúró. kí wọ́n ló ṣiṣẹ́ pàtẹ́mi wá dé ní àkọọ́lẹ̀ burúkú fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ìyẹn mo ti nítọ̀ wọ́n ṣàlàyé pé bó lẹ̀ ṣe ná owó èlò gidi pé ní alágbẹ̀dẹ wa kò lọ́kọ́ mọ́ torí ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó ní máa yá ìpínlẹ̀ yòókù lówó pé kò lá ṣe ṣe ẹni wọ́n fowó sí ní o wọ́n fowó sàn ṣé báńkì ni kò ní o lè ẹni wá lọ bu agbádá àwọn mánéjà sófin mo kàn lọ sílé mi ní o fẹ́ ṣe pàdé ilẹ̀ mo ti kàn fá pé àìmọ́ sanwó mi ò ẹ̀ tí ó jáde ìyẹn ló ṣe jẹ́ kí n ní àkọọ́lẹ̀ burúkú. ṣé rí ní tí a fojú rí ní ọdún tó kọjá kò kí n ṣe nǹkan kékeré akànlè ló pe nítọ̀ àní àṣìṣe àṣẹ olùkọ́niyàn fún ọgbọ̀n jọ́ta ṣiṣẹ́ nílùú Èkó. owó tó sọnù lóòjọ́ ó kéré kò kéré kò jẹ́ 10 million. tá a bá wá rò lọ́nà ọgbọ̀n àmọ̀dé tó bọ́ sí. kí wọlé Yorùbá rẹ̀ wá sí lápò ìjọba bóò ló ṣe yẹ kó gbọ́ àwọn kan tó bá gbọ́. wàhálà sì ní ojoojúmọ́ ní yọjú wàhálà wa ń rólù wàhálà. ìyẹn ló fà tó fi dàbẹ́ pé àwọn ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ wọn ò tí ì lè ṣe agbára tó yẹ fún ìṣètò. ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ gan-an ìpínlẹ̀ gan-an kò tí ì rojú Àbújá làwọn náà pariwo sí pé Ọlọ́run kó ràn án lọ́wọ́ fún lè báyọjú. wọ́n tí àlàáfíà bá wà nínú tá a lè dojú kọrọ ajé wa gbogbo ètò àṣọ náà ló padà wá dé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pọ̀.
gómìnà wa Olúwa tó fi ẹsẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kò ní mú kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ láì jọjọ gbogbo ọkọ̀ tó fẹ́ ṣe Olúwa jẹ́ kó lè ṣe. ṣé o rí àwọn ọlọ́jà tí ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ mo rò pé àwa táàgì ọlọ́jà gbogbo ibi tẹ́ bá ń pè wá gbogbo ẹ̀ là ń lọ. àwa jẹ́ ajẹ́rìí iṣẹ́ fún yín fún àmì fún ọlọ́pàá fún ọ̀rọ̀ ìlú àwọn ọlọ́jà ìrò pé kò sí ọ̀dà lè ṣe kẹfà pè wá. ó dá ó tọ́ ó yẹ kí àwọn ọlọ́jà ká nídìí kankan ká sọ kẹjọ kẹbà gba ọ̀rọ̀ tá a bá sọ ẹ bá gbà rò irú ọ̀rọ̀ tá a bá sọ sí àwọn aṣọ fún mi àwọn chairman àìgbẹ́dọ̀ ni ìjọba sọ fún ọ náà ọgbọ́dọ̀ gbà ló bá gbé sọ́fà tá a sọ́fà ọgbà ọ kì í ṣe gbogbo ọkọ̀ tí a sọ yẹn kì í ṣe gbogbo ìkọ̀ tó sọ yẹn kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gbogbo ọkọ̀ rí ó jẹ́ ìrí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ àwọn alájà sọ́fà tá a sọ́fà kì í ṣe kékeré o ẹ bá mójútó ọ̀rọ̀ ọjà ọ̀rọ̀ ní iná kọ̀ọ̀kan tí ẹ tó sọ yẹn ó dá ṣùgbọ́n ẹ bá mójútó ọ̀rọ̀ ọjà ìyàtọ̀ lọ́jà ń jẹ́ ó pọ̀ jù ó táàbà lọ́jà báyìí táàbà lọ́jà náà wọ́n jẹ́ ká mórí ọjà rárá bàbá kíkó tó ń káwà lọ́jà àwọn tó ń lọ́jà kíkó tó ń kó wọn kì í ṣe kan tó dáa abẹ gómìnà àwọn ló jẹ àwọn náà ló láwa àwọn lọ́jà gbogbogbò nínú yìí àwọn ajẹ́ kan àwọn tá a sọ̀rọ̀ yìí kéétù ni mo ti wá o.
It's fantastic, but there's one thing that matters most, and that is the bone of contention. That issue, June 12. They should find one way or the other to settle it within themselves. We the masses, we are suffering. Look at what is happening to the market women. They don't have places to sell their wares. They sell along the roads. They are being oppressed. We are really suffering. We the office workers, we don't have where to go now. Many people are being retrenched because of this problem. They should try in God's by the grace of God to please ameliorate the problem of the people. Already Babangida and Abiola, they've created June 12 palaver. Now where do we go from there? We are not going to anywhere. We are not moving. No market. Now there's a scarcity of petrol. As from tomorrow or next, now we will not have opportunity to go to the office. They should try to talk to NUPENG the way they are talking to us here. The NUPENG should see reason, and they too should go to a round table talk. They should not say what are they saying. They should never ignore them. The administrator should help us to talk to Lieutenant General Dia and Lieutenant General Abasha to please call Abiola to a round table talk. If they try to prosecute him, they want him to be an arrow. They will turn him to be an arrow. See what happened to Baba Ulawo. Within his people, he became an arrow. That is it. I am very grateful. Kódà politician ni wọ́n nu òṣèlú ni wọ́n nínú aṣọ ológun, ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó wà ń bẹ̀ ni pé ó yẹ kí wọ́n lọ bá wa settle ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lókè. Gbogbo ohun tó ń lọ lókè yẹn ó ń jẹ́ ìnira ló jẹ́ fáwa àtàwọn àǹsàlẹ̀ àwa mẹ̀kúnnù. Ọlọ́jà ò lè tajà, òṣìṣẹ́ ò rówó, contractor ò rówó gbà, níbo là ń lọ? Kò síbi tá à ń lọ. Ẹ wo gbogbo ìlú sìn látọ̀la bí ọ̀tún là ń sìn kò ní sépo mọ́, oníkàkú máa dúró sílé. Níbo là ń lọ? Irú èyí tí wọ́n ní ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ìjọba Èkó ní last year ó tún máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kí wọ́n try kan pe àwọn NUPENG kí wọ́n fà wọ́n mọ́ra kán má ní kí náà sọ, kí wọ́n try láti pe Abiola kán bá sọ̀rọ̀. Already òun ló wá pé wọ́n ń tòótọ́, kí wọ́n pè kán bá sọ̀rọ̀ kán sí reason, because táwọn méjì mọ́ yẹn ń jà yẹn àwa là ń suffer ẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ try láti prosecute ẹ pé treason and felony or kí wọ́n jail ẹ̀, wọ́n kàn fẹ́ sọ di hero ni, because ó pẹ́ ó yá jáde lẹ́wọ̀n. Tó bá dẹ̀ jáde àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀ wọ́n á rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn gidi. Ẹ wo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Baba Ulawo ńgbà tán sentence wọn lọ́jọ́ sí, ìgbà tán máa dìbò kò sí Yorùbá kan, 90% Yorùbá náà tẹ̀lé, because wọ́n mọ̀ pé ó ń jà. Ohun tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ló ń fẹ́ ṣe fún wọn yẹn òun náà máa lérò lọ́kàn. Ẹ̀kan jọ torí Ọlọ́run kan bẹ Abiola kan bá sọ̀rọ̀, kò ní pé bóyá àwọn ológun àbí pé wọ́n ní kékeré kankan jọ torí Ọlọ́run. Ìnira yẹn ti ń pọ̀ jù fáwọn èèyàn. Ẹ ṣé gan.
He's talking, we like the way he's talking. Even we want to be hearing from him always. But what is in this thing is that we are thinking that they are cheating the poorers. Even the way they are talking, it means that whether they are cheating us, they are just talking verbally, but they don't take in action. They don't do it in action. So by so doing, they are suffering us. You see now, the university people, they're out of the university from the beginning. When you out of university, they will give you motor and you will be okay in a flat. But now, a university level, driving a taxi, and they are saying they are talking of Abiola. We know that we, all of us, we voted on that time for June 12, and we know that this June 12, we are fighting on it. But so far, and the administrator was telling us that that man went to Abasha and called him that this is the way we want this thing. But later, when they know that this man is the person that called them, they have to call him again and talk to him. They know that this is what we our people want. And they know that all Yoruba, not all Yoruba alone now. We are talking generally. We are suffering. Also, it's better they go to their Abuja and beg them. If it is matter of begging, the Yoruba people have the right to go and beg them and help us because we are suffering. Yorùbá yẹn gan ló ti ẹ̀dá kéèyàn sọ torí ó ń dùn wá. Gbogbo nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn ó ń dùn wá. Àwọn ọmọ yunifásitì ń sìn èèyàn jáde yunifásitì ṣe ló lọ ń wa taxi tó lọ ń ṣe ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀. ọmọ yunifásitì tó jẹ́ pé ṣe náà máa gbé mọ́tò fún tó máa ní tọ́mọ yìí bá ti jáde o mo ti ṣe oríire nìyẹn gbogbo àwọn yẹn ń sọ́fà irú àwọn ìyá ọlọ́jà téèyàn bá gbọ́jà sí títì èèyàn á máa sáré kiri kí ló ẹ fẹ́ kàn jẹ gbogbo àwọn area boys náà sọ pé area boys yẹn kò ń ṣe pé òun àwọn náà ẹlòmíì graduate ni ó dẹ̀ wà lábẹ́ bridge ìgbà tí ò rí ibi tó máa gbé so gbogbo ìyà yìí ń jẹ wá ebi ń pa wá gbogbo àwọn ọmọ school wa kéékèèké ẹni tí ò bá lágbára nursery ọmọ ò lè lọ school so ẹjọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa ní kí Abíọ́lá kó bá wa pè kó bá wa bẹ̀ wọ́n gba tiẹ̀ kó ń ṣe pé dandan ni pé kójú òun ló máa wà ń bẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tí àwa ń jà fún ni pé ìyà tó ń jẹ wá tó bá jẹ́ àwọn ológun náà ló wà ń bẹ̀ tó bá ti ṣe ìfẹ́ tiwa owó wa 75 pounds ní £1 tiwọn kí ni gbogbo eléyìí gbogbo ẹ̀ ti sú wa ó gàrí ò ṣe é rà gbogbo ẹ̀ ò ṣe é kàn tí kò sí kíní tí oúnjẹ bá wọ́n lé ní tó bá di lọ́la ó tún ti gùnkè.
His Excellency, he has confirmed some rumor which had been going on. That means to say there is always an iota of truth in rumor. Okay, majority of the people there are pleased as per the case presented by the administrator, and I even convinced us that is a real Yoruba to be called. I'm very positive that the people are happy and that even if anybody comes forward tomorrow to address them, to cause a commotion, nobody will agree to. This is very obvious as per what he has presented. But judging from a particular aspect of what he says, he said the problem emanated as a result of misunderstanding or quarrel or dispute, call it anything, between two friends, which affected the whole nation. And this is the area they have to address themselves. The people at the top, they should address themselves to that particular aspect. Looking at what two people caused affected the whole nation to the extent that even a newly born baby is feeling the pinch. You see, whatever they think they should do to arrest this situation must be done immediately. Not waiting for, look at the monetary aspect. Say 100,000, it's no money now because before you buy this and that, the money is gone. Talk less of somebody. There are some people who are up to date, might be as a result of position or otherwise. They feed well, somebody has no problem. But 99.9% of the populace are really suffering. They can't feed well. People goes on 100 or 101, which means when you eat in the morning, you don't eat in the afternoon, and then you get something in the evening. And if you have a family of 6, with 50 naira, you cannot feed them.
But as this kind of a forum can do anything positive in solving the political problem?
From my own thinking, I am of the opinion that if they go en masse to educate the masses as to what actually happened, it will quell the political upheavals. I think so. I think that should be done. Let them meet people, talk to them. Let them know what is actually going on. But it is not good to tell us because of two people, the whole nation is so. It's no good.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí administrator ṣe bá wa sọ, èmi nígbàgbọ́ wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn tó wà ń bẹ̀ ló gba nǹkan tó sọ sí òdodo. Èyí tẹ̀ tó fìdí múlẹ̀ àwọn nǹkan míì táwọn náà ti ń gbọ́ lẹ́yìn táà láàrí dájú ẹ̀ pé bọ́rọ̀ ṣe rí nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n bí ó ṣe bá gbogbo wa sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, tí wọ́n bá lè mú ní iṣẹ́ láti máa bá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ yálà àwọn àjọ iléeṣẹ́ àbí àwọn aládùúgbò káàkiri bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn yóò jẹ́ kí wàhálà olóṣèlú dé kó lọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ díẹ̀ nítorí pé tẹ́lẹ̀ bá ti mọ̀ dín nǹkan tí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ àti wá lọ fàjọ̀gbọ̀n lórí ẹ̀ aṣòro nǹkan tó bá ti yé èèyàn téèyàn mọ̀ pé àgbọ̀rọ̀ ìtìrí rẹ̀ èèyàn níjà lé lórí mo nígbàgbọ́ pé gbogbo àwọn tí a wà níjókòó yẹn la gbádùn kí ó bá sọ ó dẹ̀ fi hàn wá pé ní gidi pé ọmọ Yorùbá lòun nítorí pé mọ̀rọ̀ sọ.
Tí àrò pé ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ yìí tó ń sọ yìí ó máa jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ rògbòdìyàn olóṣèlú ìkó lọ́lẹ̀.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí èmi ṣe rò tí wọ́n bá mú ní iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n bá rí wípé gbogbo àwọn sa ipá láti máa bá gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀yà tí ọ̀rọ̀ bá kàn sọ̀rọ̀, nítorí pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ kì í sọ̀rọ̀ ìlú kan, ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo Nàìjíríà ni. tó bá ń bá gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀yà tó bá wà nílẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ní irú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí wọ́n ń fi ìdí hàn wọ́n gbogbo nǹkan tó ń lọ, mo rò wípé ìdọ̀gbọ̀n tó wà nílẹ̀ á lọ sílẹ̀.
ẹ ṣé gan-an, dúpẹ́.
ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello, how are you, sir? So you've gone around Lagos to all the local governments, speaking to the people on the situation. What has been your understanding of the whole thing now? What can you say has been the main thrust?
The only thing I've been able to achieve is that to get the people to understand the proper situation of things so that they can know exactly what should be the next thing to be done so that peace can return to this part.
And can we now say that this objective has been achieved?
I'm convinced that people are now well informed, and then I think I can say that I've achieved my aim of informing.
And lastly, sir, have you been able to gather enough information from these sources to assist you in formulating?
Very well, a lot. Quite a lot of information.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the just sir. I declare to look at the local government. And you declare about me. You are the big part of the region.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe bá wọn ṣe àlàyé, mo dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run fún mi láǹfààní pé ọmọ Yorùbá lè ní náà mo ti sọ òtítọ́ àti òdodo tó wà nínú ọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú tó wà nílẹ̀ báyìí ó lè yé wa láti lè mọ ọ̀dà máa gbà.
Ètò àbáwọ̀ yẹn wá sọ̀rọ̀ ṣe ní ìdánilójú báyìí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yín kọ́ ń gbà.
Ó dá mi lójú nítorí pé wọ́n ní àwọn àgbàlagbà ní òtítọ́ ní màlékè òtítọ́ mo bá àwọn èèyàn wá.
Commentary on meetings 3210. Colonel Olagunsoye Oyinlola's submissions at all the meetings were that the people of Lagos State should give peace a chance. They should also not boycott the Constitutional Conference. Instead, they should cooperate with government for the success of the conference so that the political problems facing the nation can be solved peacefully. After rounding off the last in the series of these meetings at Shomolu local government headquarters, Colonel Oyinlola told NTA News that he is optimistic that peace will soon return to Lagos. Upstand. A cross-section of the people who attended the meetings says such forum is necessary to diffuse tension that may arise due to lack of understanding of various government positions on political issues. Upstand. In the course of these consultations, Colonel Oyinlola met with leaders from all the 15 local government areas in the states. Deji Idowu, NTA News. Deji Idowu, NTA Channel 7 News. Take two all over. Take two all over. 3210. Colonel Olagunsoye Oyinlola's submissions at all the meetings were that the people of Lagos State should give peace a chance. They should also not boycott the Constitutional Conference. Instead, they should cooperate with government for the success of the conference so that the political problems facing the nation can be solved peacefully. After rounding off the last in the series of these meetings at Shomolu local government headquarters, Colonel Olagunsoye Oyinlola Take 2. All over. 3210. Colonel Olagunsoye Oyinlola's submissions at all the meetings were that the people of Lagos State should give peace a chance. They should also not boycott the Constitutional Conference. Instead, they should cooperate with government for the success of the conference so that the political problems facing the nation can be solved peacefully. After rounding off the last in the series of these meetings at Shomolu local government headquarters, Colonel Oyinlola Take 2. Colonel Oyinlola told NTA News that he is optimistic that the peace Take 3. After rounding off the last in the series of these meetings at Shomolu local government headquarters, Colonel Oyinlola told NTA News that he is optimistic that peace will soon return to Lagos. Upstand. A cross-section of the people who attended the meetings says such forum is necessary to diffuse tension that may arise due to lack of understanding of various government positions on political issues. Upsand. In the course of these consultations, Colonel Oyinlola met with leaders from all the 15 local government areas in the state. Deji Idowu, NTA News. Deji Idowu, NTA Channel 7 News.